Long drives should feel comfortable, not exhausting. Over time, a worn or crushed seat cushion can quietly ruin your driving experience, causing discomfort, poor support, and fatigue. This direct replacement seat cushion pad is designed to bring your seat back to life, restoring the original comfort, support, and feel your vehicle had when it left the factory. Engineered to match the fit, appearance, and function of the original equipment seat pad on specified vehicles, this replacement cushion installs seamlessly into your existing seat frame. It is an ideal solution for cushions that have been damaged in a collision, worn down from years of daily use, or compressed to the point where comfort is gone. Once installed, the difference is immediately noticeable, with improved support and a balanced seating position that feels natural again. Durability is a key advantage of this seat cushion pad. Made from high-quality materials, it is built to handle daily driving demands while maintaining its shape and firmness over time. The internal structure is engineered to distribute weight evenly, helping reduce pressure points and providing consistent comfort whether you are commuting, traveling long distances, or spending hours behind the wheel. This replacement part is backed by a knowledgeable team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience, giving you confidence in both quality and performance. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with basic interior repairs, and many owners report that once installed, the seat feels like new again. Before purchasing, be sure to confirm compatibility by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool to ensure proper fitment. If your seat has lost its comfort and support, this seat cushion pad offers a cost-effective and reliable way to restore factory-level comfort without replacing the entire seat. Click the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel to discover more smart automotive repair and upgrade solutions.